So today we are doing a science experiment, right?
Yeah!
And what are we going to make first?
A volcano!
Alright, so we have to make sure we follow the instructions. And it says that we need the volcano. Do we have the volcano?
Yeah!
Okay. Do we have the bag of baking soda?
Check!
Okay. Do we have a measuring cup?
Check!
Alright. Do we have paper towels?
Check!
A tablespoon?
Check!
And vinegar.
Check!
Uh-oh. Alright, so we've got everything we need. So first, we're going to pour 50 milliliters. Wait, show me where the 50 is. Okay, so we're going to pour vinegar to that line. Alright? Hold on. Is that to the line? Oh no, that's right. That's right. Okay. A little bit more. Just a little splash. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna pour a tablespoon of baking soda. Okay. Smooth it out. Right. I guess they put enough for you to be able to do it multiple times. So, they said it would be messy, so that's okay. So now we're going to carefully put this down for now, okay? Now we're going to carefully try to pour the baking soda into the top.
This is the baking soda?
Yes.
Carefully?
Here, mommy will hold this part. We need a funnel. It's a little messy. Carefully, you're gonna put one drop in here, okay? Alright, I saw one drop. Okay. Let's put the lid on that for him. And then we'll do... Nana, can you open this?
I'll put that one.
Alright, now we're going to put one drop of the red, son.
That is messier.
Just one drop. I think one drop went in there, huh?
One dropped it.
Okay, so...
One on the side. One on the side. And one on my finger.
Okay, that should be enough. That should be enough. Alright, let's put the top on it, please, Yana. And then now, Ram, we're going to twist this back on there.
Why?
Because that's the top of the volcano. Now, first, let's clean up our workstation. Alright, so now that we've got a clean workstation, it's time for the finale. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
What are you expecting to happen?
It should explode.
Yes?
I got your leg.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so we ready?
Yes.
Yana, you hold the bottle. Well, no. Just hold it steady, and then once you pour it all in there, go. Hold on, you gotta keep pouring.
I love myself and my big nose and my nappy ass head that a comb can't get through. That's my power. They hate
so far nothing. Let's see if we add a little bit more baking soda.
Yeah, I hear it. It's coming, it's coming.
Anything?
I can hear it. It's coming up. It's coming up. Rain, get your face.
Right?
Boop, boop, boop.
Whoa! There we go.
The vinegar, right?
Little more. Yay!
Put the top on it. Now do it.
Move your hands.
She's bubbling.
Well,
It's coming out anymore.
is that cool? Okay, so for our next experiment, we're going to do the UV dino egg dig. So everybody's going to get a chance to use this tool to like knock off, right, the stones and do some digging. And then this light, as we get closer to the inside, we should be able to shine the light and maybe see what fossil is in there.
And at the end, you can use it as a nightlight. Oh, yeah.
Sure.
And a nightlight.
Oh, it says that. And then once we get closer to it, we should be able to rinse it off and it'll reveal what we have. Okay? So, profits first.
Pretzels. I'll do this.
You can use whichever tool you want to. Careful of your sister's fingers. Okay, so Yana got this giant chunk off and it has revealed a big
Dinosaur.
piece of the dinosaur. All right, son.
I'm digging. Okay.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh!
Got it out.
We got it out?
I got it out.
Is there more? Hold on, hold on. Okay, let's give Rain a turn.
Oh, actually.
It's a what?
Good, and the tails do it.
A Tyrannosaurus? Okay. Be careful, all right?
And the end. It's a Tyrannosaurus.
All right, you
Wow.
use a shovel, do some digging.
Good, we got it out.
We're checking to see if there's any more to reveal.
Oh. It says pieces. It's probably not. Say pieces.
Let's not make a mess.
Okay, Rain, can I have a turn?
So now that what did you say this was called, son?
A Tyrannosaurus.
A Tyrannosaurus. Okay, so now.
A Tyrannosaurus.
Okay.
Science experiment!
Yay! Was that fun?
Yeah!